Dupli-Color Tire Paint, week 7. I'm Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing. Thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Smash the like button if you like this and hit the dislike if you don't. Anyways, we're gonna get off with this. Got me a new camcorder finally, and we're back on the money with that, and the microphone's back in business. All right, so I failed to mention, let me get back on track. Failed to mention week 6. It wasn't on purpose. I made the last week 6 video at like 11:30 at night, so I was a little tired. I did a live video in the Dallas Paint Correction detailing group, and a lot of the guys can vouch for me. I did a live video and I sprayed a little bit from like here probably down to right around here. If it looks more glossy, there's a reason why. I sprayed clear over the black, and I was just showing them, hey, you can really ramp up the gloss. So there's no funny business here. So we got about from here over, and the tire is still the same from when I have been talking to y'all. I was just trying to show somebody that asked a question. I think he even asked it in the group I was in. What did I do to really ramp up the gloss? I've been playing around with the Dupli-Color Clear, and I've kind of figured out a way to really ramp up that shine and gloss. So anyways, tires dirty, wheels dirty. I mean, it's been a week, so got a little handy dandy mitt, got some pH neutral soap. I'm gonna go around it. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna go grab a rag real quick, dry it off. I'll bring y'all in again, and y'all can just see for yourself. So this is week 7 Dupli-Color Tire Paint, and this stuff is $6.99 at O'Reilly Auto Parts. If you're looking for the clear, I will tell you, if you're looking for the clear, go to O'Reilly's. It's TP, I want to say it's TP100 for the clear, and I'll clean the rims up a little bit too. TP100 for the clear, and I think it's 101 for the black. I can't remember 100% off the top of my head. I should, but I'm blanking right now. Anyways, so there we go. There's our pH neutral soap. Got that off the and I'll rinse this off really quick, and then we'll dry it, and then I'll wrap this video up. I don't like wasting y'all's time, and here we go. So 7 weeks I haven't dressed this tire. I mean, with the exception of what I've already told you. I always am going to be transparent with y'all. It's a big deal to me. All right, so here we go. Rinsing it off. I'll go get a rag or two, and we'll dry this baby off. There we go. Sorry about the delay. I found my throwaway, my cheapy rags from Walmart. All right, here we go. And when maybe I forgot what I was saying, my ADD was kicking in a little bit, but I was telling the guys in the Dallas Paint Correction group, I was like, hey, the reason you can put the clear on the black, it actually kind of evens it out in a way, and I'm going to show y'all the clear pretty soon. Kind of gives this like satin look. I'm still kind of playing with it because I really want it to work with the black, and it's just something, it's kind of a different, I really want to say it's a different formula. So I'm going to talk to Dupli-Color and make sure I got that right. Okay, so there you go. I mean, that's as dry as it's going to get. It's about 70 degrees today. So anyways, so there y'all go. Here, I'll give you the whole clean hand thing and everything. Make sure I can, here you go. Nothing. Do it again. Nothing. All right, they look amazing. I mean, I don't know what else I can say about it. It's $6.99, acrylic based. Will give you obviously 7 weeks of durability, especially on this side, and then got that little bit of clear on this. I did like 1.5 coats, I think, just to ramp up the shine and gloss. But anyways, I hope y'all are kind of enjoying this little series. I think I'm gonna do something, I don't know how much longer I really want this to go on, because I think I'm kind of getting monotonous with it. So I might just show y'all how to take it off also. There's a few ways. I'm not trying to play any games with y'all. So anyways, appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a great day. We'll catch you later. Thank you.